In this video, we will see how to connect a dataset to Power BI. Open Power BI and click blank report. And in the top ribbon, go to home and click get data. And you can see that we can connect to different type of data sources like SQL Server, CSV, Web, Excel and more. In our case, we have 3 CSV file, right? And I have these 3 CSV file in one folder. So I'm going to connect to this folder. How can we do it? Go to Power BI and here you can see the option more. Click more and search for folder. Click and connect. And you can also copy and paste the path, or you can also browse through. See, this is the folder I have my 3 CSV file, right? See, this is a folder I have my 3 CSV file. So I'm going to click OK and again click OK, and it will ask you load or transform load. Click transform load and it will open a new window called Power Query. So if you are a beginner, you don't know about Power Query, let me explain you. Power Query is the place where we clean and prepare our data before using it in Power BI. Think of it like a washing machine. You put in messy and raw data and it comes out clean and ready for analysis. For example, if your Excel file has wrong column name, extra blank row or missing values, Power Query helps you fix all of that. And you can filter, rename, remove or even create a new columns step by step. But in our case, the data is already cleaned, so we don't need to do any data transformation right now. We will come back to Power Query after we complete this project and then learn it properly with real world examples. Because data cleaning and transformation is something every analyst must master. We will cover it separately, step by step, once you have understood how dashboards are actually built. And I hope you have got a little bit idea of what is Power Query. And now click here and right click and click duplicate, and again do it the same. And now for the date table, click binary and rename it to date, dim date. And for dataset 2, for electric vehicle sales by makers, click binary and rename it to electric vehicle sales by makers. And for dataset 3, again go to electric vehicle sales by state and click binary and rename it to electric vehicle sales by sales. And that's it. And now in the top ribbon you will see an option called close and apply. Click it and select close and apply. And that's it, we have successfully connected to our dataset. And this is the view called report view, where you will build your visuals by clicking on the images in right side. And then this is called table view, where you can view your dataset. And last, this is called model view, where we will build data modeling, which we will see in the next video. Before you close Power BI, it's important to save your project so you don't lose any work. To do that, just go to top left corner, click on file and then choose save as. Now browse to the folder where you want to keep your project and give it a clear relevant name. In our case, let's name it EV Market Expansion Analysis for Atlic Motors. Power BI files are saved with the extension .pbix, that stands for Power BI desktop file. It saves everything, your visual, data model, query and settings, so you can reopen and continue your work anytime. Once it's saved, you are all set. And in the next part, we will discuss about data modeling.